Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Pinata Unicorn Cake. Smashing! Start with some silicone moulds and pipe in melted white chocolate. Use a spoon to spread it out and cover the inside of 2 of the moulds. Refrigerate that for 15 minutes, meanwhile roll out white fondant. Use your hands to mould it into a kind of ball shape and make an indent in the middle. Then use a fondant tool to make a crisscross. Use your thumbs to deepen that. Then stand it and roll another ball of white fondant, sticking it on as a head. Now the fondant decorations go on. First of all, we've got some pale pink hair, then a golden unicorn horn, couple of fondant ears, pink tail, and let's use edible ink to draw on the eyes. Now roll small balls with some white fondant and get a sheet of thin white fondant to cover them. We're going to press down using a tool, marking in all the shape of the balls underneath. Then cut off the excess and it's going to look like a cloud. We'll make a couple of those. Now here's your set white chocolate. Pop some jelly candies inside and then close it up with the other half. Pop that on top of your cake. Next, get a long piece of white fondant and wrap it around the ball. It's got some pearl sprinkles at the end. Those are the legs and feet of a unicorn. We've got some white and gold fondant ears going on, a golden fondant horn, and some colourful hair. And then carefully place your eyes. Let's not forget the eyebrows and the rosy cheeks. Then our fondant unicorn goes on top of a cloud and another cloud on the other side. Let's add the hammer, tied up with a lovely bow, and some silver sprinkles placed around. And there you have it, Pinata Unicorn Cake. Smash it up and enjoy. Today we're making strawberry unicorns. Start by melting white chocolate. Then dip in a strawberry. Use a spoon to coat all of it. Drip off any excess. And then get an ice cream cone and cut the end off. Use melted white chocolate to stick it onto the strawberry. Then paint it with edible golden colour. The end of the ice cream cone makes a perfect unicorn horn. Add some more melted white chocolate along the bottom of the horn so you can stick on some sprinkles. Excellent! Now we're using blue royal icing to pipe on the eyes. And edible pink colour for blushed cheeks. Finally, cut up a white chocolate button and use 2/4 for the ears. And there you have it, a super cute strawberry unicorn. Go on, give it a go. Enjoy!